So when you first open CorelDRAW, it might look like this, or you can get a window, welcome window over here. So first I will make the document. So go to File and press New, and you will get some option like name, or if you want to work with RGB or CMYK. So let me just explain a little bit about CMYK and RGB. So when to choose CMYK or when to choose RGB, default RGB. So CMYK means when you are working for printing purpose, like you will send the file for print, then you choose CMYK. And if you want to work on like for website, or you want to view it digitally, then you can choose RGB. Okay, also you can choose it from here like RGB or CMYK. So currently I will work on RGB because I'm not going to print it out, and also make sure the resolution is 300 for printing, and for RGB you can choose like 100 to 300, anything like that. Okay, so it works just fine in 96 dpi also. Okay, and the last one is enhanced mode. So preview mode should be enhanced, where you can choose whatever you want in the document. Okay, so this works just fine. Okay, so this is the document setup you need to do. Also you can choose millimeters, whatever the units you are working on. Maybe you have some details in inches, then you can select the inches and type the amount you want. Okay, then type the value you want. Okay, so again maybe you have it in feet, so you can change the value over here and change the unit over here. So I'm just keeping it like centimeter. Okay, and also you can choose some preset over here like A4, A3, a lot. Okay, so I'm not going to show you all the presets, so just click A4 and then click OK. Let's begin the tutorial now. Now the document is created. Let me show you all the panels and the toolbars, and then I will explain everything one by one. Okay, now let me explain what are these. So here you have the toolbars. As you can see, all the tools over here, and on the top you have the menus, and at the right you have the color section, and whatever color you choose from here, this will update in the document over here. So first I will make a simple rectangle. So go over here and you can see a rectangle tool, or you can press just F6. Now I will make a rectangle first. In order to show all the tools, you need something to work on. So I will first make the rectangle. So in order to access the rectangle tool, you can go over here. You can find the rectangle box over here, or just press F6. So I am pressing F6 on my keyboard, and now it is selected. You can just click and drag on the canvas and the rectangle is created. Okay, so now you can fill the inside, also the outside, I mean the stroke and the fill. So how to do that? Here you have the peak tool. So I will explain all the tools later, but first we need to know the basics of coloring. So first, if you want to fill the object, fill inside the object, then just left click on any color. You can see the color you choose is inside the object. If you right click on any color, then just look at the stroke and you will see the changes. I hope you can see the changes. You might ask how I am zooming in and zooming out. So how to zoom in and zoom out? Just scroll in and scroll out. See, I'm just scrolling out, so it is just zooming out. And if I scroll in, then it is just zooming in. Okay, so scroll in to zoom in, scroll out to zoom out. Okay, and for the navigation part, just click the middle mouse button, which is the scroll button, and then you can see the hand button, and you can just move your canvas. See, left, right, up and down. Scroll in to zoom, scroll out to zoom out. Very nice and very easy to navigate. Okay, now for the stroke part, just click the right click on any color, and you can see the stroke is filled with the red color because I clicked on red color. See, And also you can change the stroke value over here. I don't know if you can see the symbol, the outline width symbol. It looks like a pen. Okay, so just click over here and then choose the size over here, or you can just type the value you want. Like I would like 1. Okay, you can choose any amount. Okay, so this way you can fill the stroke. Now let's come to the peak tool. Okay, our first tool in the toolbar is peak tool. So click, and you can see, click and hold, then you can see all the tools in that section. Like if you click over here and hold, now you can see all the similar tools of that category. Now click on the first tool, that is our peak tool of the toolbar, and I will show you all the tools one by one. But first, our main tool is peak tool, because without this one you cannot do anything. So this is the main tool of our canvas. Okay, as the name says, peak tool, you can obviously pick objects, like pick the objects and move around. So how to pick? Just click and hold and then move around. Okay, so click and then hold your left click and then move your objects where you want to. This is your basic navigation of peak tool. And you can obviously scale the object, you can manipulate it. Like when you hover the cursor at the corner, you can see the cursor changes to both side arrows at the corner. You can see, yeah, here. Now that means you can scale the object. So, and also it is, you can scale the object proportionally. So this arrow means you can scale the object proportionally. You can scale it down like this, you can scale it up. Okay, so this way you can keep the proportion and scale it. And also if you want to break the proportion of the object, just hover any midpoint of this object, and when the cursor changes to both side arrow like this, and then just click and drag your mouse on the canvas, and you can break the proportion and you can make it a rectangle or whatever you want. Just keep practicing, and when you're comfortable with the peak tool, let's go to the next tool. So I will make a gist what we have just learned today from this tutorial. So we learned how to set up document, basic navigation of CorelDRAW, how to use peak tool, the first tool of our toolbar, and basic manipulation of the rectangle shape, use of fill and stroke color, and so on. In the next video we will learn how to use free and peak tool and free transform tool. Hope to see you in the next video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to be notified whenever I upload a new video for you. Stay safe and healthy and be creative. Thanks for watching.